Assalamu alaikum class 5. Hope you all are fine and doing great at home. Today we'll discuss exercise 5A from unit number 5 and the unit name is distance and time. So anyone have idea about distance? What is distance? How we can measure it? We have a definition for distance as distance is the numeral measurements or value how far. Distance is the numeral measurement or value of how far objects are from each other. So distance is the numeral measurements. क्या होता है हमारे पास नंबर में measurements आती है और values होती हैं how far object जो दूर जो distance जो चीजें होती हैं दूर हमारे पास उनको measure करने के लिए. In distance is measured in centimeter, meter for small distance, for small distances, meter for bigger length, kilometer and meter. Kilometer is for long distances. We have different values for length. One kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So when we convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we will multiply the quantities, and when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we will divide these quantities. Now we have another step, conversion from bigger unit to smaller unit. We will multiply. For example, we have 10 kilometer and convert into meter. As we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So if we convert 10 kilometer into meter, so 10 kilometer is equal to 10 multiplied by 1000. So we have 10,000. So we have 10,000 meter. So अभी तक हमने क्या डिस्कस किया? What is distance? Distance is the numeral measurement or value of how far the object are from each other. We have different unit of you have different unit for distance. Centimeter, millimeter for smaller distance, meter is for bigger length, and kilometer is for long length. We have different values to convert kilometer into meter and meter into centimeter and centimeter into the millimeter. if we convert kilometer into the meter, we will we have value 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. After this, we have discussed the conversion from bigger unit to the smaller units. We will multiply. So, for example, we have 10 kilometer converted to the meter. We simply multiply with 1000. So now we move towards how we convert smaller unit into the bigger unit. Standard conversion from smaller to bigger is done by division. We have to end the small term B, S, M for memorization. Bigger, B for bigger, to smaller is done by multiplication. And S, B and G, smaller, S for smaller, to bigger is done with division. For memorization, we have two small terms BSM and SBD. BSM means bigger to smaller with multiplication, and SBD means smaller to bigger with division. So we will solve different examples for conversion smaller to bigger. We have example. We will convert 10 meter into kilometer. Solution. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So as we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So when we convert meter to kilometer, so 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 10 meter is equal to 10 by 1000 kilometer. Now we will divide it. 10 and we have divided is 1000. Now we have 10 in the division sign, and we have 1000 outside, and 10 is smaller than 1000. What we will do, we will add point and 0 here. अब अभी भी हमारे पास क्या है, 100 छोटा है और 1000 बड़ा है. We will add one more 0 and one more 0 here. Now we have same quantity. So we will divide it 1000 1 by 1000. So this is the way how we convert meter into the kilometer. 0.001 kilometer. 10 meter is equal to, so 10 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. I hope you will understand how we convert smaller unit to bigger unit. Conversion from smaller to bigger is done by division. For example, we have 10 meter is in 10 meter and we convert into the kilometer. So as we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, because हम लोग मीटर को किलोमीटर में चेंज कर रहे हैं. जब हम मीटर को किलोमीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो हम लोग डिवीजन करेंगे. मीटर क्या है, हमारे पास छोटा यूनिट है, एंड किलोमीटर इज द बिगर यूनिट. So this is the way how we convert smaller unit to bigger unit. As you can see, 10 meter is 10 meter. We convert 10 meter into the kilometer. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And when we convert meter into kilometer, we will divide by 1000. And similarly, 10 meter is equal to 10 by 1000 kilometer, and we will divide it and get the answer in the decimal form. And this is 0.001 kilometer. 10 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Now we will take another example for more understanding. Now we convert another example. Now we convert 100 meter into centimeter. Similarly, solution. As we know 1 meter is equal to the 100 centimeter, and when we convert 100 meter into the centimeter and 1 meter is equal to the 100 centimeter, so we will multiply it because we convert meter into centimeter and meter is bigger and centimeter is smaller. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0. Now we will multiply with second term. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0. Now we will deal with third term. 1 0, 0, 1 zeros are 0 and 1 ones are 1. So we have, and we will add it 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. So we will get 10,000. It means that 100 meter is equal to 10,000 centimeter. And when we convert centimeter into the meter, we'll take another example. And when we convert 100 centimeter into the meter, as you can see, as we know 1 meter is equal to the 100 centimeter, and when we convert 1 centimeter is into meter, we will divide with 100. So 100 centimeter is equal to 100 by 100 meter, and both are the same quantity. We will cut it. 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this is the way how we convert smaller unit into the bigger unit and bigger unit into the smaller unit. As you can see, when we convert 100 centimeter into the 100 meter into the centimeter, we will get the answer as 100 centimeter is equal to 10,000 meter. And when we convert 100 centimeter into the meter, as we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So when we convert 100 centimeter into the meter, we will get 1 meter. Example in which we convert 500 centimeter into millimeter. As you can see, centimeter is bigger than millimeter. We will use BSM and BSM rule, in which we convert bigger to smaller with multiplication. Solution, as we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 500 centimeter is equal to 500 multiplied by 10 millimeter. So 500 multiplied by 10. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 fives are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. So we have 5,000 millimeter. As you can see, 500 centimeter is equal to 5,000 millimeter. Now we convert millimeter into centimeter. Now we convert 500 millimeter into centimeter. As you can see, millimeter is smaller than centimeter. We will use division in this solution. As we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now we convert 500 millimeter into the centimeter. So 500 millimeter is equal to 500 by 10 centimeter. Now we use cutting method in this. 10 ones are 10, 10 fives are 50 and 0 as it is. So 500 millimeter is equal to 50 centimeter. So this is the way how you convert smaller unit into the bigger unit and bigger unit into the smaller unit. You can see that if we convert 500 centimeter into the millimeter, so we get 500 centimeter is equal to 5000 millimeter, and when we convert 500 millimeter into the centimeter, we will get 500 millimeter is equal to 50 centimeter. However, we have done all the things in class, and in addition we have revised all the points again, practice all the questions from exercises. If you have any query related conversion, then we will again discuss it on Monday. Okay, see you. Allah Hafiz.